Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Yahoo Mail with exports and third-party tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Yahoo Mail, start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. Click on More Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Mailboxes on the left sidebar. Next, click on your primary mailbox, typically marked as Yahoo Mail. Scroll down to find the Advanced section. Under Advanced, look for the option to send and receive email via POP. Enable POP access by turning the toggle on. Next, take note of the incoming server settings, as you will need them for third-party email clients. Now, open your preferred email client, such as Microsoft Outlook or Mozilla Thunderbird. In the email client, locate the option to add a new email account. Choose the option for a POP3 account and enter your Yahoo Mail email address. For the incoming server, input the server settings you noted earlier. Provide your Yahoo Mail password when prompted. Configure the outgoing server settings, using the given instructions for the email client. Test the account settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. If everything is successful, you should see your Yahoo Mail downloading into the email client. Once your emails are loaded in the client, you can back them up by exporting the mailbox. In your email client, navigate to the File menu. Choose Export or Backup from the options available. Follow the prompts to select the format for the backup file. Save the exported file to a secure location on your computer. For additional security, consider using third-party backup tools designed for Yahoo Mail. Research and select a reputable backup tool that supports Yahoo Mail exports. Install the selected tool and launch it on your computer. Log into your Yahoo account through the backup tool interface. Choose the folders and emails you want to back up within the tool. Select your preferred backup format and destination for the files. Begin the backup process and monitor it until completion. After finishing the backup, ensure that the files are accessible and securely stored. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.